just before you watch the video, here is a quick introduction of who I am. My name is Frederick Nnamdi Ipemwo. I'm a smartphone business consultant. Hey, my name is Frederick Nnamdi. My name is Frederick Nnamdi Ipemwo. I am a smartphone business consultant. I teach you smartphone users how to turn your smartphone addiction to a six-figure business. If you'd love to keep watching videos from me, kindly subscribe down below, and just beside the subscribe button is a bell icon. Tap the bell icon and you'll be the first to know when I drop a fresh video. Was that video helpful? I bet it was. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, I beg you, please subscribe right now and turn on notifications by hitting the bell icon so you'll be the first to know when I drop a new video. Would you like to connect with me on any of the social media handles? Right on the video description are links to my Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Gmail, and I am always open to hearing from you.